Alright guys, you are welcome back to Amazing Creative Studio. So in this video I really want to show you how you can install an APK application from unknown source. If you're having issues installing APK application from your Android mobile device, so in this video you'll be able to get this done without any issue, without any further ado. Let's go straight to the point. So first thing you quickly need to do is to go to your phone settings. So just click on your phone settings, then you head over to application management. If your phone does not have application management, you can also find app list. So under the app list, then you click on it. So click on this app management. Once you click on it, then you scroll down, then you will find something like special app access. So once you see the special app access, then you click on it. So you click on it, then you click on the install unknown apps. So just click on the install unknown apps. As you can see, so it now depends from the particular application you are installing the APK from. If you are installing application from your Telegram app, so just scroll down and find Telegram. So just click on Telegram and tap on the allow from this source. As you can see, it is already enabled. But if you are installing from Chrome browser, so just head over to Chrome and allow to install from this source. And likewise, if you are installing from WhatsApp, just head over to WhatsApp and click and allow it to install from this source. You may want to install from any other source, but which you are likely not know yet. You can just decide to allow them immediately, so that when you want to install from any of those applications, you won't have that same issues again. So like my own end here, I've allowed for Drive, I've allowed for Chrome, I allow for File Manager, I allow for Files by Google, allow from Gmail, I allow from Kiwi browser, I also allow from Mobile Cloner, I also allow for Palm Store, Phoenix, Phone Master, Telegram, WhatsApp. If there is any means at the later time for me to install from any of these, I might just click on allow now. Do you understand? So just make sure that you allow whichever application that is most important to you, that you know you may probably want to install application from them. So once you do that, then you head over to your Play Store application. Click on your Play Store application. So then click on the icon, on the name icon. Click on the name icon, then head over to Play Protect. So then from here you will see something like turn off. So when you see something turn off, just click on it. So once you click on it, it will turn off. Then you will be able to see this particular sign. So once you see this particular sign, it simply means that you have turned on Play Protect. This Play Protect is protecting your mobile device from installing application from other sources. So that is why you need to turn it off. You understand? Why the other part, which is this part, which is the install unknown apps, it is to allow you to install application from any other source. Like you want to install application from your Chrome browser, it will allows you to install application from Chrome browser. And if you also want to install application from Telegram, it will also allow you to install from Telegram. Do you understand? I hope this video helps you. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like this video and help us to share this to those that might likely needed it. Thank you.